We're here at CIAT for a workshop on clonal harmonization and planning for the next 5 years, 2025 plus planning. And one of the main goals of the workshop is to increase the efficiency and reliability and effectivity of the clonal gene banks. In particular, we're looking at 4 clonal gene banks within the CGIAR, and we're looking at harmonizing processes in the hopes of that harmonization will help the efficiency of the 4 gene banks working together in a collaborative manner to better manage the collections.
All of the gene banks are in different centres. They deal with different crops, and they don't really get the opportunity to come together that much. And because many of the processes in managing a gene bank are similar, bringing people together to be able to discuss, to learn from each other, and to understand different ideas, different opportunities for how they can better harmonise the processes between the CG gene banks is really important. There's also the opportunity for some processes to be harmonised between clonal crops and seed gene banks. CIAT is a good example because CIAT keeps both beans and forages as seeds and keeps cassava as a clonal crop. So there's a lot of opportunity there to harmonise processes to become more efficient, more effective, and to better share resources and equipment between these different crop groups.
So this meeting is a first. We have brought together the heads of process for the 4 clonal crop collections in the CGIAR. That's from CIAT, IITA, SIP, and Biodiversity. These guys are responsible for global collections of roots, tubers, and bananas. They are leaders in their field globally. And here, for the first time, they are able to focus completely on collaboration between their institutes and harmonization of their processes. Sounds a bit dull, but actually this is key to being a lot more efficient. It's about working as a system. It's about developing a more structured approach to conserving these crops and making them available to users.
Having the harmonization workshop at the America's Gene Bank of the Alliance of Biodiversity and CIAT was a great opportunity for all of the scientists that they work in clonal gene banks to see this new facility, the future facility, and from there start the conversation of all of those processes that we implement for doing the conservation and distribution of clonal crops, and see how we can put together and harmonize those processes in a single format. Harmonization is analyzing all of the processes that we implemented and try to unify in a single language. That way we understand each other and we can implement process in a more efficient way and also accomplish our mission of conservation and distribution of this diversity.